Hey there. Welcome back to the Review Scout, your go-to channel for unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. Today, we have something special to discuss, an advanced natural formula that has been making waves in the health and wellness space. If you or someone you know has been struggling with ear health issues or that persistent ringing sound in the ears, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about Quietum Plus, how it works, its unique ingredients, the science behind it, and whether it's really worth your time and money. Let's dive in. Many people struggle with hearing issues, from mild discomfort to severe conditions that impact daily life. The constant ringing, buzzing, or muffled sounds can be frustrating and sometimes even isolating. While most people assume that hearing issues are caused solely by exposure to loud noises or aging, recent scientific discoveries reveal that the root cause may actually lie deeper within the brain. There's a connection between the auditory system and neural pathways, and when this connection weakens or becomes damaged, hearing disturbances can occur. Quietum Plus is a specially formulated dietary supplement designed to support and maintain optimal ear health. Unlike conventional solutions that only mask the symptoms, this supplement targets the underlying issues that contribute to hearing difficulties. It uses a blend of 100% natural plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals, all carefully selected for their potential to restore and protect hearing. One of the key aspects that sets this formula apart is its approach to hearing health. Instead of simply focusing on the ears, it nourishes and strengthens the neural connections responsible for processing sound. The formulation includes a combination of adaptogens, antioxidants, and neurosupportive compounds that work together to regenerate nerve cells, enhance blood flow to the auditory system, and combat oxidative stress that may contribute to hearing decline. Inside each capsule, you'll find a powerful mix of ingredients that have been traditionally used for their health benefits. Mucuna pruriens and maca root are known for their ability to support the nervous system and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial in cases of nerve-related hearing issues. Epimedium and Tribulus terrestris are believed to aid in balancing neuroinflammation and protecting against free radicals, both of which play a crucial role in auditory health. Donkey has been recognized as a natural tonic that may improve auditory acuity by supporting brain cell health. Mwirapuama and ginger provide strong antioxidant properties, which help to guard against free radical damage, while also promoting nerve renewal and growth. Catawba powder and damiana are included for their ability to support healthy blood circulation, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the auditory system effectively. Ashwagandha and piperine, both powerful adaptogens, may contribute to enhanced mental focus and slow down cellular degeneration. Sarsaparilla root and asparagus have detoxifying properties that help protect nerve tissue and improve cognitive function. Essential vitamins like vitamin A, B-complex, and zinc play an integral role in maintaining neuronal connections and supporting overall immunity. Lastly, L-tyrosine and L-arginine assist in maintaining balanced blood pressure levels and may also have mood-enhancing benefits. What makes Quietum Plus even more appealing is that it is made with a completely natural formula. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the supplement, or do you have any questions? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. It contains no stimulants, is non-GMO, gluten-free, and non-habit forming, making it a safe option for long-term use. The supplement is designed for easy consumption, with each bottle containing a sufficient supply to support consistent routine. Beyond its core benefits for ear health, users have also reported secondary advantages, such as improved focus, better sleep quality, and an overall sense of well-being. Since hearing and cognitive functions are closely linked, nourishing one can have positive effects on the other. One of the exciting bonuses that come with the purchase of Quietum Plus is an exclusive guide called 1-Minute Natural Tips to Hear Like a Ninja. This guide includes simple yet effective strategies to enhance hearing, such as specific yoga poses, dietary recommendations, and ear-friendly habits. Another bonus is how to get the best sleep of your life in just 7 days, which provides practical techniques for improving sleep patterns and reducing snoring. These bonuses are designed to complement the benefits of Quietum Plus and maximize overall health improvements. When considering any supplement, it's natural to have concerns about safety and effectiveness. This product is backed by scientific research and made in an FDA-registered facility under strict manufacturing guidelines. The natural ingredients have been tested for quality and purity, ensuring that they are free from harmful additives or artificial substances. Another major advantage is the 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that if you're not satisfied with the results within the first 2 months, you can request a full refund with no hassle. This risk-free policy makes it easier for users to try the supplement with confidence. User testimonials further reinforce the effectiveness of this formula. Many individuals have shared their experiences of regaining clarity in hearing and enjoying moments of complete silence after years of struggling with constant ringing or buzzing noises. Verified users have described a sense of relief, improved focus, and an overall better quality of life. For those looking to maximize the benefits, the company recommends purchasing a multi-bottle supply. Since consistency is key when it comes to seeing long-term results, a 6-bottle package is the most popular choice among customers. This package also comes with free shipping and additional bonuses, making it a cost-effective option for those serious about improving their hearing health. In summary, Quietum Plus offers a natural, science-backed approach to ear health by addressing the root causes rather than just the symptoms. It combines powerful ingredients that support nerve regeneration, enhance blood circulation, and provide essential nutrients for auditory wellness. The added benefits of cognitive support, stress reduction, and better sleep make it a well-rounded supplement for overall health. If you're tired of dealing with constant ringing in your ears or want to take proactive steps to protect your hearing, this supplement is worth considering. With its money-back guarantee and natural formulation, there's little to lose in giving it a try. That wraps up today's review on Quietum Plus. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Review Scout for more detailed product reviews. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the supplement, or do you have any questions? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.